So that is considered one term, guys. Why is it considered one term? Turn and talk to your neighbor for 30 seconds and ask them to see if they know. I want to see if anybody next to you knows. Check with your neighbor and see if they know why this is considered one term. I'm your neighbor. You don't know? They should be honest. Do you know why this is considered? So, did anybody have a neighbor that could tell me why this is one term? Awesome. I appreciate your honesty. Guys, what makes a term is it's divided by only two operations. There's only two operations that can separate something into a term. Addition and subtraction. Otherwise, it's a term. I don't care how many letters you see. If eyes on me back here, please. I don't care how many letters you see. If I see X, Y, Z, T, R, S plus 3X, Y. Now how many terms do I have? How many operations, how many additions and subtractions do I see? One. So if I only have one addition, then I must have two terms. Okay? You understand now? It's okay. It's okay. Because what's happening between here? What operations do you see here? So that's why you guys are like, wait a minute, but we're multiplying. You are correct. We are multiplying. When you see division, you are correct. We are dividing. But multiplication and division does not make a term. Addition and subtraction makes a term. Can I combine that expression? Turn to your neighbor and ask him, if yes, why? If no, why? Turn to your neighbor and talk for 30 seconds on whether or not I can combine that term, combine that expression. Can I simplify that expression? Talk to your neighbor. I don't hear y'all talking. Can you combine? Can you combine it? Can you combine it? You have 10 more seconds left. Can you combine it? Can you combine it? 5 seconds left. 5 seconds left. And thumbs up if you can. Thumbs down if you cannot. This way if you do not know. In 3, 2, 1, let me see. I got 2 downs. I got some, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4 downs, and everybody else that don't know. Those of you who just said down, I need one of you to volunteer and tell me why you said no, you cannot combine it. Speak up. Speak up.
Because of the exponents and the variables.
Because of the exponents and the variables. Build on that. Why is it because of the exponents and the variables? You had your thumb down. Why did you say? Well, you said why? Which one of y'all said? No, it was you. I got good eyesight.
I went like this.
Then it was you. You did this?
No, I
Okay, was it you? Was it you? Why can we not combine it?
Because of the variables, exponents.
Okay, I said I have 2 people saying variables and exponents. Why did you say we can't combine it?
Because the variables are different and so are the addition and subtraction.
So we got different terms. How many terms do we have? Hold up your fingers. 3, 2, 1. Hold up your fingers now. How many terms? I got 3, 4, 2 terms. What operations create terms? Addition and subtraction, right?
Yeah.
How many terms do we have now?
2.
Nope, we have subtraction, and we have addition. What's in between it? How many? Ready? Count for me. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
How many terms do we have? Show me with fingers. We understand now, right? Terms. And you guys are correct. It's because the variables are different. The variables and the exponents. I knew you understood what you said by saying variables and exponents. Thank you for going into better detail and saying because the variables are different and the exponents are different. That's really what we are looking for. So today, we're talking about simplifying a term. When you're dealing with exponents, you're simplifying a term. Is that a term? So when we go to what I want you to do is I want you to press Control. Driver, do me a favor. Just slide that side so they can see better what you're doing. Here we go. make it better? It's better? Awesome. Driver, press control. Did you press control, driver? It don't show red. Okay, it's got dark. So when it's up there, it'll get dark, guys. Instead of being gold, it'll be dark. Press control, then press dock. Dock. Everyone else is pressing control dock. And I want you to add a calculator. We've already done this once. This is just practicing. Add the calculator, please, dock. Driver. Now what I want you to do is I want you to work. We're going to do this real quick. We're going to do the same problem we just did. I want you to press the little housetop key. You know that? Press that first, driver. It's the exponent key, the power key, the power key. So it's up under. It's on your right, left-hand column. Left. There we go. There you go. Click that. There you go. No. Back out of that. You can't undo that. So never mind. The rest of y'all should have saw something different, right? When you press control. No, you saw answer also? Well, then just type X. Type X. No, that's not what I want to see. Type X. I want to see X on your calculators. Then I want you to do the roof. The power key. X power key. 4. Arrow to the right. X power key 5. X to the 5th power. So if you were on your keypad, where would you arrow to the right? Yeah, you could just use these arrows. Now you will. Now X. Power key. 5. Press equal. No, press enter. Press enter. We got a range, correct? We input a domain, and the domain gave us a range. Now I want you to use your arrow key, your arrow pad. Sir, I'm walking past you. This is my 3rd time walking past you and not seeing your calculator in your hand. Awesome, but I apologize. You are on task. I apologize. Okay? Arrow up until you highlight that first expression. Arrow up. Hit that arrow over there. Arrow again. Now that it's highlighted, press enter. Press equal.